Okay, this video is all about finding theta if sine theta is equal to 0.123 and tan theta is negative. Find the value of theta. This is like an inverse sine function. Now, what is like using now, and what we're going to use is the log table, the sine table. Now, we are looking using an inverse part of the table to find the theta. So now let's begin. So the question is you are given sine theta equal to 0.123 and you were told that tan theta is a negative value. So from this value here, it means that sine theta is a positive value. So when you look at the quadrant, the first quadrant, all of them is positive. The second quadrant, sine theta is positive and theta is negative. Now, here, sine theta is negative, tan theta is positive. While here, cos theta is positive, tan theta is negative, sine theta is negative. So here is only tan theta is positive, while here is only sine theta is positive. So the place where this condition is obeyed is in the second quadrant. So, and the reference angle for the second quadrant is, now let's say you have something like this. Now let's say this is angle alpha. Here is an angle of alpha, so the reference angle will now be 180 minus alpha. So we can now say now I can still make use of sine theta. Okay, let me say sine alpha is equal to 0.123. Now the inverse of sine is 0.123, or you can say the arc sine. That is another way of writing this inverse, 0.123. Now let's look at the sine table. Now we'll go to the sine table. Now this is sine. Now we look for, in this region, we are now going to be looking for 0.123. Now if you look at this here, you have 1, 2, okay. No, okay, look at 1, 2, 3. This is sine. So you have 1, 2, 3 within here. Here you have 0.1219 and here is 0.1236. So 0.123 is between this place, this point, and this point. Now, so if you look at it now, so let's use a pencil. Now, if you look at this, you have the angle here is 7. Now under 0, so you have 7 degree 0 minutes. So at 7 degrees 0 minutes, you have 0.1219. Now we needed You needed a very big value to get it to. You add 14 to this, it will not be up to. Now let me see. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now let's say we add 12 here. We add 12. 12 is what? 8. This is 12. If you add this 12, which is 4 minutes. So 9 plus 2, you have 1. You have this is 3, 2, 1.0. So you have 0.123 here now. So now if you add this 4 minutes, which is here, coming down, you have this is 12. Adding the 12, but this is 0.0012. So while we have this at 7 degree 0 minutes, which is this. So that means if you add this 0 minutes with 4 minutes, you now have 7 degree 4. Okay, 7 degree, you can say 7 degree 0 4 minutes. 0 4 minutes. So converting this 4 minutes, okay, we can leave it like that. Now, so the angle now will be 7 degree 04 minutes. I will say 4 minutes. Now, using that it cannot work. So that is it. Now, let's go back to. So now the angle we got was 7 degree 04 minutes. Now, to convert this 4 minutes to decimal, you have 4 minutes divided by 60 minutes times 1 hour. 1 degree, sorry, over 1. So you have this, which is the same thing as 0.4 divided by 6. 6060. So 6 into 46. So it's just 6667. So it's roughly 7.667 degrees. So it's like 7.67 degree. Sorry, 7.0, we should be 0 here. 07 7.067 degree. So we got, let's say, roughly 7.07 degree. Now we need to have gotten the alpha to be 7.07 degree. Now the theta, based on this condition that tan theta is negative, sine theta is positive. Now it means that it falls on the second quadrant, and on the second quadrant the reference angle is 180 minus alpha. So we have 180 minus 7.07. 180 minus 7.7. So, and this will be equal to 172.93 degree. So this is the final answer. So now this is the final answer. Thank you for watching till the end. Have a nice day.